In this video, we will explain the process of removing and replacing a faulty through-hole relay in a densely populated relay grid array. The removal and replacement procedure should be undertaken in a well-lit area with adequate extraction, ensuring that all ESD precautions are observed. Ensure you have all the following equipment to hand: RMA class liquid flux, RELO class gel flux and brush, flat blade tweezers, a vise or clamp to hold the PCB, non-permanent marker, flux cleaner, solder braid, hot air gun set to between 400 to 500 degrees Celsius, 752 to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, soldering iron, ESD strap and lead. Part 1. Relay removal. Step 1. Relay removal. Identify and mark the faulty relay using your test system and note its XY grid coordinates. Then, turn the board over and mark the PCB with these coordinates. Step 2. Relay removal. Use flat-bladed tweezers to carefully clear space around the faulty relay. Apply liquid flux around the relay. Step 3. Relay removal. Clamp the PCB securely in place. Apply gel flux to the non-component side of the PCB using the previously marked position as a guide. Firmly grip the faulty relay with the tweezers. Step 4. Relay removal. Use a heat gun to apply heat in a circular motion to the marked area. Keep the heat gun nozzle at least 20 mm from the PCB. Avoid holding in one spot to prevent burning or delaminating the PCB. Once the solder melts, the relay will become loose and can be removed. Step 5. Relay removal. Clean any residual flux with an appropriate solution. Part 2. Relay replacement. Step 6. Relay replacement. To remove excess solder from the PCB pads, apply fresh gel flux. Place solder braid on top and heat the braid with the soldering iron. The heated braid will wick away the solder. Repeat this for all affected pads. Clean the area with flux remover and allow it to dry. Step 7. Relay replacement. Place the new relay in position, ensuring it is oriented correctly. Solder the relay legs to the PCB, ensuring solid connections. Clean the PCB thoroughly and allow it to dry. Step 8. Relay replacement. Test the module's functionality.